want to find out what math is all about, then you need to check out Math with McMurdo. Like, share, and subscribe. He's the best. Spiral Review 19, problem number 13. Zoe packed 21 blood oranges and 15 regular oranges into a box for a customer. She packed 17 boxes like this. Zoe used this equation to find X, the number of oranges she packed into all of the boxes. How many oranges did Zoe pack into the boxes? Problems like this are brilliant because they tell us exactly how to solve it. So if we have this equation right here, it's telling us how to do this problem. You don't even have to do any trying to figure out how to do it. It gives us the equation. We have to solve the equation. We have to solve for X. Now, when we have multiple things, we've got grouping symbols. We start with grouping symbols. So 21 plus 15 is 36. Now this 17 is right next to the parentheses, so that means we multiply. So we have 17 times 36. So we could do 30 and 6. We do 10 and 7. So 36 times 17. And if we go 30 times 10, that's 300. 30 times 7 is 210. 6 times 10 is 60. 6 times 7 is 42. Now if I add those, I get 300 plus 210 plus 60 plus 42. So I'm going to add all these together. My ones place will be a 2. I have 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 1 is 11. And 1, 3, and 2 is 6. So how many oranges did Zoe pack into these boxes? She packed 612 oranges into those boxes. 21 of them were blood oranges in each box. An electrician needs 7 rolls of electrical wire to wire 56 rooms in a building. How many rooms can he wire with 1/4 of a roll of wire? Show your work below. So 7 rolls wires 56 rooms. So let's figure out how many rooms we have. If we have 7 rolls, that equals 56 rooms. I want to find out how many rolls for if we divide this here. So I have 56 divided by 7, and that gives me 8. So I have 8 rooms. Each room uses 1/4 of a roll of wire. So I'm going to have 8 times 1/4. So I could do 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are 4s, hard to read. That's a 4. 8. So I have 1/4 plus 1/4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, 4/4 is going to equal 1. 4/4 is going to equal 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Or if I multiplied this, I would have 8 over 1 times 1 over 4. I get 8/4, and 8/4 simplifies down to 2. So with 8 rooms, or 8 rolls, we can do 2 rooms. If he has 1/4 of a roll, he can do 2 rooms. Spiral Review 19, problem number 15. Round 44 and 618 thousandth to the nearest tenths. 44 and 618 thousandths. We're rounding to the tenths place, so we have to know our place values. The 6 is in the tenths place. I am either going to add 1 or add 0 to the 6th. I determine that by looking behind it. Behind it is a 1. If the number in the place value smaller than it is less than 5, then I add 0 to this number. So I'm going to add 0, and this stuff's going to be left behind. I can put them as zeros, or I can leave it completely off. So 44 and 6 tenths. 44 and 6 tenths. My last non-zero number is going to be in the tenths place because that's where I'm rounding it to. Smart Review 19, problem number 16. Multiply 345 and 17 using the standard algorithm. So if I have 345 multiplied by 17. Oh, let's see here. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 4 is 28. 29, 30, 31. 7 times 3 is 21. 22, 23, 24. Now I'm moving to the tens place. That's the reason the 0 goes there. And it'd be 5, 4, 3. Add that together, I get 5, 6, 8, 5. 5,865. Thank you. We live with the right mindset. We can do anything. So keep a positive attitude, believe in yourself, work hard, and don't be afraid if you fail. Just start again. First attempt at learning.